record in the laptop, but today is recording somewhere else. Some settings is wrong. Unable to find where it is recording. Recording somewhere in the Zoom server cloud. How will get we need to do? So attend properly and see the class seriously. Okay, code space dot npm start.
सर साथ हो रहा है कि दोस्तों के साथ तो पता नहीं चला
Okay, so this is the array we have made. There all the items was printing yesterday. Now come inside the each product. The category has printed. Now product need to add. So we'll add in each product. In each category, we'll add some product. So go to the books. Write inside some book name, some technology name. Come to the mobile section. Let's go to the laptop section. Come to the food section. Come to the dress section. You can add. Okay, I hope your array is ready. Now come to the page. That is our product.js file. We have followed the DT yesterday and DL, right? Using DT, we display the category name. For DT, my cat have written some CSS. What CSS we wrote? Color, which color? Green. Font size? How much? Okay, category name should be little bold. Product will come after that. Come next. Next, we have to go to the product and print here the length of product. Inside the each category, how many product you have. So item info dot product dot length. Item info dot product dot length. It will give you the length of product under each category. It will give the length of, right? It will give the length of product under each category. Something like this, 5344. Next, under each category, it should display how many product you have. Okay, so let's check once. Are you able to get the length of product or error? Error will happen if array is not structured properly. If this array is not structured properly, error will come. So complete item array, I will share you in your chat. Coming down inside the DL only, we have DT. Remember? DL and then DT. So DL will create for each category. And under each DL, not DL. DL we created under the loop itself. Okay. Then it will create multiple DL. DL should be only one. DL should be only one. And DT should be DT and DD should be multiple. Okay. So what we will do? DL right here in the beginning. DL open and DL should close in the last. DL you can't write here. DL you have to write in the beginning only before map. DL open in the before map and DL close after map here. DL. And this DL you can change to the empty tag. Empty tag open, empty tag close. For empty tag, I think you don't need any kind of key property. For empty tag, you don't require any key property. For empty tag, you don't need any key property. Okay, check now. Still your output should remain same. Go next, and at this place, so DL open in the beginning, DL should be in the beginning, and DL should be in the last. And inside what we are generating? DT, definition title. Now after DT, what will come? DD, definition details. So you will open another map here. Right here, item info dot product dot map. 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 Write here name of the item, as well as write here call index of the item. Name of the item and index of the item. Or you can write item name is also fine. Item name and index. It's a temporary variable, can be anything. Okay, now come inside again. So this is map inside map. One map is already running outer, that is reading the main array. And inside the main array, you have one more sub array that is called products. For that, you are running item info dot product dot name, and then item name and index 2. It should be index 2. Index already have outside. Return, what you will return? You will return called DD, definition details. Inside the DD, you will write here called item name. Item name. And for this DD, you will write key equal to index 2. Index 2. DD equal to index 2. Item name index 2. Check now. You will get the product under each category. 5 products or 5 products. 3 product, 3 product. Right? Happening. You can print here index also. Index 2. Index 2 you can print here as a serial number. Index 2 you can print here as a serial number. Index 2 you can print here as a serial number. Right, coming. There should be some space after one dt and dt, one space is required. So you can see when the dt is printing, after printing of dt, dt will come, this loop will finish, and once that is done, below you can write here one br you can add after the second map function within the empty tag only. Within empty tag, one br got applied. So this becomes a nested array. Data you are reading from nested array, two level of array, and it is displaying inside the page. So hope no error or error. Show me, what is the problem? Return. In return, what you have written? It is saying complete, this line is incorrect. This tt tag. In return, why you have written this flower bracket? In return, flower bracket is not required. This line is wrong. Next, after that, come down. This is for whom? This is for this, and this is for this. This is that extra or something else? H3, why you wrote in between? You have forgot your basic HTML also. Inside the DT property, you are writing H3. Now what else wrong? Now here this is extra. See now. Index 2 where is all? This should be index 2. Save now. We have the child level element. This is for outer ring. Now item input of product or map item name index 2. Then return dd index 2 item name dd closed. This is for this, this is for this, this is for this. Then this is for this one, this is for that. This is for outer map, this is for that. DL is open, DL is closed. But your values are not printing. Thank you. Next see. P2 is undefined. Key 2 is undefined, you have to write here, index 2. Index 2 you should write, then it will come. Okay, so we can leave this file now. Let's come to the another file. Next file. Next component to create. Next component we create. Anyone else have error? No error? Create one more component inside the same folder, basic folder. Give the component name. Give the component name called item.js. 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 Next, after that, import the React from React. Then after this, const item list. Item list. Export default item list. Right here, let city one array, let user another array, let books user, then which one, service, or maybe something, books another array. Three array we created. Come down, return a table. Table will not be like this directly. First keep a empty tag. Under empty tag, no mtr, we have division tag, right? Id equal to container. You will close the div tag. You will write here h1 data from multi-array. Create a table. Head pr. So write till here. Yes. City list. City list. Next, user list. Next, book list. So first add this page in the routing and reply me back your page is loading or not. Add this page in the routing and let me know your page is loading or not. This is scroll down इसके बाद आप लोग ले चले रिपोर्ट बात याद है कैसे तो दीजिएगा ये फाइल CRODCT last में end of the page इसमें दीजिएगा 3 5 not say the data So for data file आपने सेव नहीं किया था February, March, no. Here, we come here, close opening will come. Close opening will come. Whoever will be ready after learning properly, everyone settlement will happen. But again, if you will not learn properly, when settlement will happen down now. Okay, so February, March is the peak time. January, no idea, but February, March will be peak time. April, May will be shut down again. Again, June, July, August, September, October, till November will be there. Till November, October, after you can say till end of the October. Again, so when the peak time come, keep yourself ready. Someone should pick you. Okay. So this file is ready. Add in the routing, added. Only 4 people reply. Why so that? Only 4 people have added in the routing. What about others? Now come down. P head is written at this page in the routing, correct? And you should have a link here. Link should be there. Item, click on that. Page should load. Now coming down, I'll go for the T body. T body. Under T body, you write a TR. Under the TR, you will follow 3 TD. 1 TD, one more TD, and one more TD. So how many TH we have? How many TD we have? T. How many array you have? So hope remaining you understand. In city, you have to keep 5 city name and print in first TD using the map function. Okay. In the user, you keep 5, 6 username and print under the second TD using map. And under the book array, also keep 5 books, 5 book name and print under the third TD using the map, right? Let's do that quickly. Try कीजिए fast. What you need to do? 3 TH was there, so TH is done. Now 3 TD also I have written here. After creating the 3 TD, I have created the 3 array for you. Now in this 3 array, you need to fit the value in city, 5 city, inside the user, 5 user, under the books, 5 books. And after that, those, which one? Array, you need to list under the each TD. The first city, first TD, first array, first TD, second array, second TD, third array, third TD. Write it. Likhie quickly. समझ आया कि नहीं? अगला हमने इसमें 5 सिटी का नाम डालिए, array बनाइए, गाड़ी का user निकालना, काफी मेहनत करनी है हम इसका। ये फाइल में ऑप्शन है ऑटो सेव, फाइल में ऑटो सेव, ऑटो सेव ठीक है। ये चले डॉक्यूमेंट This is why starting from the middle, find solution and start from the top. Yes. User 1, 2, 3, right? Repeat the same. बट आपने यहाँ पे जो लिखा है जो यूजर वन यूजर टू आपने लिखा है ना ये डेली उसमें यहाँ पे नहीं है वहाँ पे हमने मैप लिखा है तो उसको तो अदर कमिंग राइट एनी अदर no errors why so much of error for you can you clean it hide the console go to console click on console clear it once there is a clear button no yes clear refresh again okay should not display huge error right if error is there then only error should come so hope list we have done right okay I don't need to display here I don't need to add the routing correct it's happening for you okay okay go next now so we'll come to the next file okay can anyone give me the array with the data in the chat share no in the chat quickly okay hold on someone sent it okay next after that you are supposed to do like this inside the first td you have the city array so you will write city dot map name of the city as well as index of the city. Return see why I am repeating this thing again and again, because after which one? After after this basic, after basic, you have little next level, that is little complex level. Now you can see door is visible, through the door you are able to pass. But after that, there will be non-visible window, through that you have to jump. Understood or not? Now door is visible, somewhere little complexity, it will turn here, there and pass the door. Next, after this, estate management. That is called a estate management, backbone of the React. Everything happens through the estate only. Okay. So estate management is the main important part of React. If you understand the estate management, you will come good in the React. Okay. So that is kind of a non-visible window. Through non-visible window, you need to jump outside of the house. Okay. So overall little complexity, but interesting again. Okay, you will feel like, oh, very nice. I enter the value here is reflecting all the places. That meaning it is going to handle through the state. But before a state, we should not be confused in the routing. We should not be confused in the running the map. We should not be confused in creating the list table here and there. Those all must be clear. Then only next level will be much interesting. If at this level we are confused, then 100% sure will be confusion in the next level. Okay. एक minute. User item list, import basic slash item list, those is fine. Page 5. Item. This text can be anything. This page 5 you have written can be anything. Only the thing to maintain is what? What you have written here, page 5, same page 5 we need to call here. This word should be similar. And what is the name of your component? That name of the component also should be similar. Okay. Name of the component also should be similar. Item, printing all. Okay, next file we can create again. So we are on track or out of track? On track. Study assignment we did or not? So if you not do, then indirectly you are cheating yourself. Okay. If you are not doing, means you are cheating yourself. Okay, so do that. Important. Okay. One person yesterday night, 10 o'clock, he pinged me saying like, I saw your video in the this one YouTube, one React CRUD operation, create, read, update, delete, and all. Okay, he is an employee of SCL. So I'm also doing the same, but I'm facing very difficulties. I told, okay, send me your code. He sent me the photo in WhatsApp. Then I told him, okay, look at your code, and I send my code. I said, look at my code. Syntax point of view, see how difficult is yours and how easy is mine. Okay. Is it not necessary? No, CSS, HTML, and Bootstrap, everything mix all together, and unnecessary the simple line make huge complex. Is it necessary? No. You know, Bootstrap keep separate. You know, CSS also keep separate. Like Bootstrap keep separate, and CSS keep separate, and React keep separate. Once you learn all three together, then mix together. CSS you are confused, Bootstrap you don't know, and you combine everything through the React. Correct or not? It will become what? It will become Ajay? Not very complex, it will become very difficult. Okay. So everywhere there was a inline CSS. Everywhere was inline CSS. Why you wrote inline CSS? Cut from here, paste in separate file. Your code will look clean, you will not feel much overload. Okay, let's come. Next file you create. Next file you create any file name, but where you are creating? Basic. Let's go under basic only. Write one more file. Imply.js or emp.js. 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 Next file. कहाँ पे बनाना है नेक्स्ट फाइल लिखता बेसिक में बेसिक फोल्डर पे क्लिक करो आप आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन बेसिक फोल्डर गो टू द न्यू फाइल you click on src and then going to the next file correct see here जैसे मान लो आप when I click on src and go to the new file where it will create the new file definitely you want to create in basic so go and click on basic and then create the next file it will go to the basic folder. Okay, so emp.js file should be under the basic folder. Okay, in emp.js file, let's come. Write again, import the React. Okay, next write const. Imply equal to first write clear, imply, and then okay. So next create an array. Let emp list. Let emp list equal to emp list. Write some name. Ganesh, Mahesh, any name you can write. Okay, write any name. Array. So array is ready. After array, return division id equal to container. Employee list. Write a next division ID equal to EMP list. EMP list. ID equal to EMP list. Use the map function inside. What is array name? EMP list dot map. Name of the EMP as well as index of the EMP. Return P tag. Right here call name. Okay, so right till here. Okay, and now for EMP list. First you add this page in routing. Imply you add in the routing. See loading or not. Add this page in the routing. Check once your page is loading or not. Added in the routing. Now we can write the CSS for EMP list. We can write some CSS for EMP list. So go to your routing, import the imply. Import employee from basic / EMP. You can create a link, page 6. Page 6. EMP. Add one more link here for page 6. There you will call the employee. So your page should load. Loading. Reason to write this class, EMP list. Write a ID called EMP list. There you can give display flex. Display flex. All paragraph will come in one line. Create a ID called EMP list. In that you write display flex. All item will come in one line. Okay, hope written EMP list. CSS, you wrote like this. Has EMP list display flex. So all the paragraph will convert into single line with no space. Right below has EMP list space P. Has EMP list space P, padding 35 pixel you give, will be sufficient to come in one line. Font size 20 px and color as a red. So under the EMP list, whichever the P tag you have, it will be in the red color. 35 pixel padding will be there. Font size will be sufficient. Should work properly. Something like this. No need to use the float left and right. It will fit one after. आ रहा है? ये चल रहा है? Look here. देखते हैं. CSS right. Now next assignment will be. I'll send you something. You can make like that. By evening time, I'll send you some homework. In the group, you can follow that. Okay, and practice this. Monday we'll have a next class on estate management. Estate management. Okay, that estate management is going to help you a lot. Once you understand the state management, then you will feel React is 50 times easier than JavaScript after the state management. Okay.
सर रिएक्ट का सिलेबस शेयर कर सकते हो आप?
उधर ईमेल कीजिए, इन्फो कैंपस का नंबर है ना,
हम्म।
उस पर ईमेल कीजिए, वो भेज देंगे आपको।
ओके सर एक चीज बताएंगे, मैं एक्चुअली अभी वर्किंग मैं सेपेंट में जॉब करता हूँ, तो हमारा जो मैं एक्चुअली